Hey Netflix lovers, want to watch Netflix offline on any device? Flixicam Stream 1 lets you download Netflix videos and transfer them to a USB drive effortlessly. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Flixicam Stream 1 app on your computer. You'll see lots of streaming platforms. Pick Netflix, log into your Netflix account. Type in the title of the movie or TV show using the built-in search bar. Once found, click to enter the video details page. Look for the General Settings button in the top right corner of the interface and click it. Choose MP4 or MKV. Both work with most devices, so pick your preference. Opt for 1080p video quality for sharp visuals and balanced file size. Select primary audio from English, Spanish, French, or other options. Turn on audio description if available. It's helpful for visually impaired viewers. Keep 5.1 surround audio on for immersive sound. Pick your subtitle language or multiple languages for learning. Save subtitles as internal, external, or hardcode. Choose an easy-to-find output folder like desktop or Netflix downloads. Once your settings are locked in, click the plus button in the bottom right corner. A new window will pop up. Now you can batch download. Just check the boxes next to the seasons and episodes you want. No need to download one by one. For extra control, click the Advanced Settings button in the bottom left corner. This is only for the videos you've selected. Here, you can adjust video quality and bitrate if you want to balance file size. You'll see the original file size of your download plus a quick recap of your audio and subtitle settings so you know exactly what you're getting. Now, click the download button in the bottom right corner. Flixicam Stream 1 downloads at 5x the normal speed, so you can grab your favorite shows in no time. Keep an eye on the progress bar in the rightmost panel of the app to see how close your episodes are to being ready. Once the download finishes, head to the Library tab in Flixicam. There are all your downloaded videos. Want to locate them on your computer? Just click the folder icon next to any episode, and it will take you straight to the output folder you set earlier. Now, let's get these videos onto your USB. First, make sure your USB drive is plugged in your computer. Open the output folder with your Netflix videos, then open the USB drive folder side by side. Just drag and drop the videos into the USB drive. With Flixicam Stream 1, you're no longer tied to Netflix's offline limits. Watch your favorite content on any device, anytime, without Wi-Fi. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just want a backup, Flixicam has you covered. Grab Flixicam Stream 1 today and take control of your Netflix library. Happy watching!